It's a brand new restaurant located again right here in downtown Middleburg. Virginia is for Grubbers. We are back again with another old-fashioned Friday, and this week we're coming to you from Middleburg, Virginia at Tremolo. I didn't ask how to pronounce it. I don't know why I didn't ask. Tremolo? I'm pretty sure it's Tremolo. It's a brand new restaurant located again right here in downtown Middleburg. I think this is our third old-fashioned Friday that we've done in Middleburg. But again, this is a brand new place, so I had to come check it out. Tremolo is known for its small plate dishes, which I'm a huge fan of. They have some really cool craft cocktails on the menu. They don't have an old-fashioned on the menu. Obviously asked them if they could make me an old-fashioned. They did so, and here it is. You guys know how this works. 0 through 3 on appearance, 0 through 3 on first sip, 0 through 3 on overall taste, 0 through 1 on overall ambiance. I'm gonna jump into the ambiance first. Again, brand new restaurant, super clean, super chic, very intimate, as it's a little bit of a smaller, but there's also an upstairs and downstairs, so 2 levels, which is dope. There's a beautiful outdoor space. Nothing bad you can say about it. I'm gonna go full 1 off of ambiance. Here we'll jump into this appearance. Dope sized glass, dope little orange peel, dope Luxardo cherry, and without even saying anything else, you guys already know what I'm gonna stick them about. No single cube, but I will say, if you're gonna give me a bunch of ice cubes, this does probably look the coolest with a bunch of ice cubes in it out of any other cocktail that I've ever had that had a bunch of ice in it. But again, no single cube, no clarified. So I think the fact that the size of the glass, Luxardo cherry, nice orange peel, and the fact that the ice cubes are built up, I think that has something to say for it. I'm gonna go 2-2 on appearance. Here we go, first sip. Pretty clean. They're using a 4 Roses bourbon. Price point, I believe, is $16. Yeah, you can sit that down. Crabbed it. All right. Oh, yeah. He wasn't joking about the hot. Yeah. Little crabbed it. Every cocktail on the menu is $16, so I'm assuming this is going to be a $16 price point. If it's not, I'll update it in the caption. They do have one cocktail that is not $16. It's called Jared's Gin and Tonic. It is $24. I'm not a gin fan, but I would immediately order that because I'm intrigued over a $24 gin and tonic. But I'm not a gin fan. We got to do the OF. Like I said, fairly clean. A little bit on the spicy side, but nothing too crazy. I think I'm going to go 2-3 off first sip. And here we go, getting in this overall. Same. No single cube, but I don't know. I don't know. I feel like this is kind of a vibe. I don't know. Before we get into this overall, it is important to note that they do specialize in wine. I looked at their wine list, phenomenal. So if you want a dope place to come for some dope wine, this is probably a dope spot. And again, I'm a huge fan of the fact that it's a smaller space. It's in downtown Middleburg, which is a very chic little town. So it all matches, it all comes together. Here we go, overall. All right, so obviously no single cube, no clarified ice. It's gonna get a little bit watered down, which I can taste just in the few minutes that we were shooting this, but nothing too crazy. I think I'm gonna go 2-2 on overall. And at the end of this episode, we're gonna add in a bonus drink with a bonus rating that's called The Last Word. Typically it's gin, chartreuse, maraschino, lime, price point $16, but we switched the gin with a mezcal, and V's gonna rate that. Professional mic services, here we go.
I give it an 8-2. Cheers, everyone. Virginia is for Grubbers.
Tremolo, Middleburg, Virginia. Virginia is for Grubbers. Cheers, guys.